Hello and welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to share modern front-end development trends and predictions. So yeah, so basically, the evaluation of front-end development, I'm going to discuss and the key components of modern front-end and like the importance of staying with updated trends is really important for and also like the current trends that are basically everyone focused on like the headless cms, and also there is a new concept is currently ongoing. It's like called jam stack, and also like everyone focused on like the progressive web apps, because like the progressive web apps give them better facility or like to support like to give them like app fields on web applications. So this is really interesting. And also everyone focused on like the single page applications and serverless architectures. So yeah, so the tools and frameworks everyone would like to use is called React, Vue.js, and Angular, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS. So basically, Tailwind CSS is being used as an alternative of Bootstrap or Material UI or still components. So CSS is really easy to use, and it saves lots of time for the developer. Yeah, and if I would like to predict for the future, so basically everyone like increase like emphasize on user experience, because user experience does matter in front end development. And also everyone focused on like more ai driven development tools, because ai driven development tools makes our developer life easier and faster. And also it creates more learning opportunities through those AI driven tools. Like if I consider GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT version 4, it's really helpful. And also there are other AI tools that you can use as your development purposes. And also they focus on like the greater focus on like the web accessibility. Like as a front end developer, you need to focus on like the web accessibility, which is really important. And also the rise of web assembly and the expansion of ewa capabilities is really will be the next what I say, like it can be the next big things in upcoming futures. So if I'm trying to conclude my those all of those things, then basically you need to staying ahead in front end development, and you should, you know, all you need to explore and adopt new technologies and like building future proof web applications. So yeah, which is really important. So thank you, and thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to get more interesting videos regarding web and software developments. So thank you.